Canva hack you won't want to miss part 6.
Once you're in Canva, click New Doc, then hit the plus sign and select Magic Write. Type in something like this: 25 motivational quotes for small business owners. Click Generate. Once it's generated, you're going to copy the content, right-click and hit Copy, and paste it into an Excel spreadsheet. Hit File, Download CSV, and save it. Then go back and hit Instagram Reel. Now search motivational quotes for a cool video. I'm going to select this one as an example. Then I'm going to customize the image to be me. In Uploads, select a photo you want to use, drag it into that spot to personalize it. Then hit Apps, click Bulk Create, click Upload CSV, select the CSV file and hit Open. Then select the text, hit right click and hit Connect Data. Select the first one, come over here and hit Continue, and then generate 24. Now you have 25 video story ideas giving motivational quotes. How cool is that? Follow for more.